So in this video, we are going to solve problems from exercise 13.3, which belongs to chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. Okay, so there are total 4 problems. We'll see one by one. First, let's focus on problem number 1. So let's bring that into picture. Yes. Now let's see what the problem says. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Okay, quite simple and straightforward. So this is our this is our right circular cone, and whatever information is given in the question, the first thing we have to do always is visually represent this information that is given to us. So let's read the question again. So diameter, okay, so diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. So let's immediately mark it. So this is the diameter of the base of the cone. So this whole thing will be a diameter, right? So this is given to be 10.5 centimeter. So I am marking it 10.5 centimeter, and the slant height is 10 centimeter. So we all know this is the slant height. Okay, sorry, this is the slant height from the vertex till the end point of the circle. So that is going to be 10 centimeter. So I'm just going to write like this, or let me use this one. Okay, so L is actually equal to 10 centimeter, and we can say this is D for diameter. D is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Now we want to find the curved surface area. So first of all, what is the formula to find the curved surface area of a right circular cone or cone? That is equal to pi into R into L. Okay, quite simple. This is the formula to find the curved surface area. Now we have the value of R. Yes, from diameter we can calculate the value of R. It's half of diameter. We have the value of L, which is 10 centimeter. So let's substitute this. So that will be equal to pi. Let's take pi as 22 by 7 into radius will be 10.5 divided by 2. Okay, diameter divided by 2 into L is given to be 10 centimeter. Now let's focus on this. That's equal to, so 10.5, 7, yes, 10.5 is divisible by 7. So let's do that division, and 22 is divisible by 2. So I'm going to mark here 11 into, how did 11 come into picture? Okay, I did this 2 and 11. Okay, now I'm going to do 7 divided by 105 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7.5, 7 5 is 35. Okay, so this is going to be 11. Okay, 11 into 1.5 into 10. Okay, that is going to be 11 into 15. So 1.5 into 10 is 15. That is equal to 15 on the 15, 1 carry 15, 165. So 165 centimeter square. Unit is very important. Since everything was in centimeter here, we are going to get our curved surface area in centimeter square. Without unit, this number 165 has zero value. So units are very important. So 165 centimeter square is the curved surface area. Okay, find its curved surface area. 165 centimeter square is the curved surface area of this cone that was given to us. So quite simple and straightforward. You have to just apply the ready-made formula to find the curved surface area of a cone. Now let's erase all these things and see problem number 2. Okay, so first of all, to get problem number 2, we have to pull this down. Yes, and I'm going to take this figure. So to take this figure and bring it a bit down here. Okay, so let's bring the problem into focus now. Yeah, so again the question reads, find the total surface area of the cone. So we have to find the total surface area. Okay, not the curve, not just curve surface area, total surface area. So let's highlight it. Total surface area of the cone. Okay, if the slant height is 21 meters, so let's first make a note of that. Slant height is L, so L is equal to 21 meters. Okay, and diameter of its base is 24 meters. So once again, a diameter is given to us. So I'm going to just represent it visually. So this diameter, I'm going to write a D. D is equal to 24 meters. Okay, so diameter is given to us 24 meters and slant height is given to us L, which is equal to 21 meters. We have to find the total surface area of the cone. So let's come down. Once we have represented all the information in this diagram, okay, you can ignore the question and just focus on the solving the question. So total surface area. So total surface area of the cone, okay, is equal to what? So the formula is pi r square. What is pi r square? Pi r square will be the area of this circular base, and plus the actual curved surface area, which is pi r l. Okay, this formula will give us the total surface area of the cone. Now, do we have the value of r? Yes, from diameter we can find the value of r, half of diameter, and we have the value of l as well. So we are going to just simplify this before doing the substitutions. So r plus l. Okay, pi r is common. Okay, pi r from here is common, so that becomes r plus l. Now let's substitute the values. So that is going to be equal to, so pi I am going to take 22 by 7 into, what will be radius? The radius will be half of the diameter, which will be 12. So I'm going to write it 12 into 12 plus what is L, that is 21. Okay, so let's come down now and focus on this. This is going to be 22 by 7 into 12 into 12 plus 21, that is 3 and 3, 33. So 22 by 7 into 12 into 33. So none of these are divisible by 7. So what we can do is okay, so we can directly do these multiplications. Let's do this multiplication first and then divide the product by 7. So let us simplify a bit. So this will be 11 into 2, 22 into 12 into, this will be 11 into 3. Okay, now, and this whole divided by 7. Okay, so let's come down and focus on this. So once again, this let me use a highlighter. So this 11 and this 11 is common, so I'm going to say 11 into 11, that is equal to 121, that's 11 square. And then we have the remaining thing, which is okay, which is 2 and 3 and 12. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 12 is 72. So 72 and the whole divided by 7. Now, okay, so this will be a huge calculation. We are going to use a calculator to find this value. Okay, so since I don't have a calculator right now, I'm just going to go by approximations. So 72 divided by 7 is going to be roughly 10.3. It's going to be roughly 10.3 because yeah, 7 tens are 70 and into 0.3 will be 2.1, so 72.1. Okay, and this will be approximately equal to, so this is how you do it, 121 into, you can write this as 10 plus 0.3. okay, so that is going to be 1210 plus 0.3 will be 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 36.3. that will be equal to 1246.3 centimeter square addition. So this is the approximate value. Okay, if you use a calculator, we'll get a more accurate value, but anyway, the value doesn't matter. What matters is the procedure. Okay, the way we approach the problem and solve it. So the final value was 1246.3 centimeter square. So that will be the total surface area of the cone when the slant height and the diameter is given to us. Again, the key thing is, while solving all these problems in 3-dimensional, all the problems of this chapter, surface areas and volumes, whatever 3-dimensional figure is given to us, you draw it first. Okay, then whatever information is given in the question, you represent it visually in a very clean and in a very clear way. And once you have the confidence on the picture and the units that are given to us, the numbers that are given to us, then you approach and start solving the problem. Also be focused what is exactly asked to us, whether they are asking you total surface area, whether they are asking only the curved surface area. Depending on that, you have to use the formula. You should not blindly use whatever standard formulas are known to you and start solving the question. So that's how you approach these problems.